Welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is my second attempt at a Halloween video. Now I look a mess. It's like I'm a mess. I have on an old shirt and I have on this old stocking cap and I'm just looking so bummy right now, but we're gonna get into the look today. So today I want to play around and like create like a prosthetics look. It's in my opinion, I feel like a simple prosthetics look. I've done old age makeup before, but today I want to take it to like our next level and be a little bit more interesting. Oh, by the way, yes, I know for anybody that follows me on Instagram, you see that I posted the Maleficent look that I recreated. And I filmed a video for that. Like I did. I wasn't the one that filmed the video though, and I was not pleased with what the end product came out to look like. So unfortunately, that was just a no-go. But I still posted a picture and I'm glad that you guys could understand. So I'm here doing this next Halloween look today. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. As you can see, I applied my wig cap, but I'm gonna now put a ball cap over it. It's the first time I'm actually even working with a ball cap. I'm just basically measuring up everything. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking right throughout this. A lot of this is just going to be like watch and go. I'm actually going to use liquid latex to glue this down. This liquid latex that I'm using is washable, by the way, so it came from this packaging. I'm gonna just kind of sketch out some wrinkles on my face before I actually move into applying liquid latex. So I'm just gonna use this pencil.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call.
So now that I created these lines and stuff, I know I look crazy. This is nowhere near what it's supposed to be. What we're gonna start doing, what I'm gonna do is apply a portion of the liquid latex to my upper lip area, and I'm gonna use a sponge that I no longer use. I wanna just keep that area stretched out. So they call this like the stippling technique. And keep the skin straight. I won't be able to speak throughout this portion, okay? Alright. But you have to keep the area stretched. So I need both of my hands to keep the area stretched. So I guess I'll have to use the blow dryer on other parts of my face. Okay? But I have a fan, so it should help me to speed up this process. This is gonna take some time.
Devil in a red dress.
I'm gonna move on to applying some foundation.
I'm a killer, you know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand, call
So honestly, I came into this look knowing that I definitely wanted that old age effect, but I also wanted to do something that looks bad, you know. So I'm happy it turned out the way it did. So it's not like old boring, it's more like old wicked person, you know. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look, but it's what I had in mind. It's what I felt like I really wanted to do, and you know, yeah, that's that. Let me know what you guys think down below. Put your thoughts down below. But thank you guys so much for watching today, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to share it on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, all over. Tell your friend, your cousin, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your auntie, your mother, your father, everybody, anybody. Tell them all. Tell them to subscribe. I really appreciate all the support, guys. And stay tuned for my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. And listen, I know I sound a bit weird, but this latex on my face right now is kind of altering the way my mouth is opening. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, cool. Go and big up on yourself.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.